I've uploaded this code enforcement list and I've added this prompt inside of this AI so-called autonomous agent that you're supposed to just push a button and it does all the work for you. So I'm going to go ahead and push the button and see what happens. What the What you just saw is going to change the way you do your business, regardless if you are a real estate investor, an actual real estate agent, or a candlestick maker. AI agents is big thing when it comes to running and actually doing in your business. Now, what is an AI agent, you may be asking? Imagine having a personal assistant that you just say, do this, and it do it at a high level while you go off and handle the most important stuff in your business, like closing deals and negotiating. Imagine if you were able to say, I want you to go ahead, take this spreadsheet, extract all the details out of it, find me all the best deals, put it on a website, and give it to me in a format that I can easily understand and I can easily generate money from leads that you've put together. Now you don't have to imagine. Now you can do that. This is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist. And don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be updated as soon as we bring out content. I don't think you truly grasp what an AI autonomous agent can do for your business. How about create websites for you? How about write code or scripts for your actual business? How about search PDF, videos, and audio, fact check, build apps and programs all autonomously? And here's what I mean by I say autonomously. Just imagine you saying by typing and a group of agents go out there. I'm not talking about the Matrix
Evolution.
kind of agents. I'm talking about AI agents that will go out there and one agent will build it. One agent will research it. One agent will create it. One agent will go ahead and find it all autonomously without you having to do anything other than initiate the action with a simple prompt. Don't believe me? Let me show you what I mean. Alright, we're on the inside. The name of the website is Manus AI, your autonomous AI agent. This is the prompt that I put in. Please do a deep dive analysis of this data of code enforcement violation and indicate any factors from the list, online or offline, that could help us find the motivation to sell. My goal is to find the highest motivational factors from the people on the list that may lead them to want to sell their property to me, analyze all factors. Then I also gave it the actual spreadsheet that we got from the code enforcement violation list from Baltimore City. Now, okay, let's break down exactly what it's doing. First thing first, it actually took all the information that's on the spreadsheet. And then it's going to go ahead and create a script so it can create some type of program that runs in the background from that data. The next thing it's going to do is extrapolate it and create HTML code, Python code, and here's the best part. It's going to now create an actual list of what it wants to do. I'm going to say it again. It's going to create all these different agents, and each of these agents will have different tasks, and this is the breakdown of what they want the agents to perform by the way of a to-do list. The first thing it's going to do is data examination. It's going to check file structure and size. It's going to examine data columns and their meanings. It's going to also identify key fields for motivation analysis. It's going to check for missing data or inconsistencies. Then another agent is going to check for violation analysis. It's going to categorize violation types. It's going to analyze violations frequency. It's going to identify properties with multiple recurring violations. It's going to actually map violation patterns by location. Then another agent is going to do property characteristic analysis. Analyze property age and condition, examine property values, identify property types and zoning, analyze neighborhood factors. An agent is going to go out and find and do financial indicators analysis. It's going to analyze property values versus sale prices, identify properties with declining values, calculate potential repair costs based on violations, identify properties with high violations to value ratio. Let's continue. It's going to do actual owner situation analysis. It's going to identify out-of-state owners. It's going to analyze owner contract information. Did I mention it's going to do all of this on its own? It's going to identify properties with multiple violations and absentee names. It's going to actually look for absentee owners. It's going to look for indicators of financial distress. It's going to create scoring system for violation severity. It's going to create scoring system for financial pressure. It's going to create a scoring system for owner situation. It's going to develop an actual combined motivation score, and it's going to even continue to create and rank my properties by motivation score, create detailed report with findings, prepare recommendations for approach and strategy, compile a list of the highest potential properties. But it's not done yet. It's going to also go to the tax sale website and check information related to what we're doing. It's going to go to Maryland Judicial website and check information in regards to that. It's going to create the script so it can scrape information. It's going to also create all these different motivational factors in JavaScript for HTML, CSS, and JS so that it can give you a final report in a website format. You heard me right. It's going to produce a final report for you in a website format. Let me show you exactly what it has done. The site is the executive summary of the spreadsheet that you gave it. Remember what I said? You only gave it a code enforcement violation spreadsheet. We got an executive summary. This analysis examined Baltimore properties with code enforcement violations to identify owners with the highest motivation to sell by analyzing violation types, property characteristics, financial indicators, owner situations. We've developed a comprehensive motivational score system that highlight the most promising acquisition targets. Key findings. 29.19% of the properties show high or very high motivation to sell. Vacant building violations are the strongest indicator of seller motivation. Properties in zip codes 21217 and 21223 show the highest average motivation. Multiple violations, more than 3, and declining property values are top motivating factors. It created, I'm going to tell you this again. It created an actual interactive map displaying 80 properties across all motivational levels from high to very high to medium to low. And check this out. The map it created on its own is interactive. I can click on any one of these high-level property dots and get the actual property address, the actual valuation of the property, the actual issues, violations, vacant building, and the owner's last name. And did I mention the address of the property? And did I mention that it created it on its own? Broke down the owner location impact, average motivational score by owner location. It even broke down the high motivating zip codes. It told us that 21217 and 21223 show the highest average motivational scores, 46.93 and 46.66 respectively. And did I mention it even gave us the points added to motivational score factor, how it came up with these actual numbers. And last but not least, it produced an actual list of the properties that you could look at here, but more importantly, it created an actual button with the list that it compiled itself, and it lets you download all the very high motivational properties. Let's pull it over. Oh my goodness. 101 properties show very high motivating factors. It give us the actual owner's information, last name, owner state, violation types. It tell us what type of violation the property has. It even give us a breakdown of those types and the issues. It gives us the actual cash value, and it also tells us the motivational score along with the motivational level. And we have 101 properties that we need to go after right away if we want to get deals. That, my friend, is what you call an AI autonomous agent, and we ain't even scratched the surface of what this can do. I told you. All I want you to understand is that the tool of the future is here today, and it's called Manus. All you got to do is just go over to manus.im. They have a free plan. It gets you 1,000 credits. They also have a $39 a month plan and a $199 a month plan. So jump on it. And the only difference between an investor that's doing 20 deals a month and one that's doing one a month is that the one that is doing 20 a month has mastered their tools. I want you to be that 20-month real estate investor. Take care. Charles Blair, Mad Scientist, signing out, and we'll see you in the next video.